Hello everyone. In the last session we have seen active current mirrors. The small signal voltage gain AV, we have seen it as it is GM into R out. We found out what is GM. GM we found out as GM1 by 2, and also we obtained R out. Calculation of R out is 2RO2. It is R out of this particular circuit. And also we have learned that this is the common source stage with a degeneration resistance, and that degeneration resistance is 1 upon GM1, and this 2RO2 is with respect to this particular circuit, and we have seen this also. So this R out is the resistance seen at this particular point. Now R out of the entire circuit. What is R out of the entire circuit? It is this 2RO2 parallel with RO4. That also we have studied. So it is R out nearly equal to 2RO2 parallel to RO4. Then we have obtained AV as GM1 by 2, 2RO2 parallel to RO4. If RO4 tends to infinity, then AV tends to, or AV will be is equal to GM1 into RO2. This is what already we have derived. Next we will see one more approach, that is the second approach. In the second approach, what we are doing is, we are using these two figures. These two are the simplified figures. Then we are obtaining two ratios. One is Vp by Vin from this particular circuit, and another one is V out by Vp from this particular circuit. Then we are taking the product of Vp by Vin into V out by Vp. Then we obtain V out by Vin, which will be the voltage gain of the circuit. In the second approach, we calculate Vp by Vin and V out by Vp and multiply the result. The result to obtain V out by Vin. Now from this particular figure, how do we write Vp? That is from the figure 1. Let us call this as figure 1 and this as figure 2. From figure 1, we can write Vp as, Vp is the voltage at this particular point. Now if you consider this part of the circuit, Vp can be written as, it is R equivalent divided by R equivalent plus 1 upon GM1. 1 upon GM1 is a transconductance of M1 transistor multiplied by Vin. From this, Vp by Vin is equal to R equivalent divided by R equivalent plus 1 upon GM1. Now what is R equivalent? We need to write the equation of the R equivalent. The resistance seen looking into the source of M2. This R equivalent is nothing but the resistance seen looking at the source of the transistor M2. Since the drain of M2 is terminated by the relatively large resistance of RO4, the value of the R equivalent must be obtained from the common gate stage. That is from the common gate circuit. This is equivalent to now common gate circuit from the CG circuit. We can get R equivalent is equal to 1 upon GM2 plus RO4 divided by GM2 into RO2. This already we have derived. You can go back and refer the derivation. This is equal to 1 upon GM2 into bracket 1 plus RO4 by RO2. Now we substitute this R equivalent in this expression. Vp by Vn is equal to 1 upon Gm2 into bracket 1 plus RO4 by RO2 divided by R equivalent is 1 upon Gm2 into bracket 1 plus RO4 by RO2 plus 1 upon Gm1. Simplify this expression. What we do is, here we consider 1 by Gm2 is equal to 1 upon Gm1. This is equal to, that is Vp by Vn is equal to 1 upon Gm2 1 plus RO4 by RO2 divided by 1 upon Gm2 common 1 plus RO4 by RO2 plus 1, because 1 upon Gm2 is equal to 1 upon Gm1. This will cancel out. Therefore, Vp by Vn we get it as 1 plus RO4 by RO2 divided by 2 plus RO4 by RO2. Let us mark this as equation number 1, which gives the equation of Vp by Vn. If RO4 tends to 0, then Vp by Vn is equal to 1 by 2. If RO4 tends to infinity, then Vp by Vn is equal to 1. Now we have got the expression for Vp by Vn. One more expression we want is V out by Vp. Now how do we derive the expression of V out by Vp? We calculate V out by Vp while taking RO2 into account. Now from this particular figure, I told you this is figure 1 and let us call this as figure 2. From figure 2 we have V out by Vp is equal to 1 plus Gm2 RO2 divided by 1 plus RO2 by RO4. Now how we have arrived at this particular expression? This is again from the common gate stage. Common gate stage V out by Vin expression. Let us do that. For this is only for your reference. Already we have done it. For common gate stage, V out by Vin is given as Gm plus Gmb Ro plus 1 divided by Ro plus Gm plus Gmb Ro Rs plus Rs plus Rd multiplied by Rd. This expression is with respect to the circuit. VDD we have resistance Rd, then we have the transistor M1, VB is a bias voltage, resistance Rs plus minus Vn grounded, and this is Ro. Already we have derived this expression with respect to this circuit. Now this expression has to be applied to this circuit. Now with respect to figure 2, V out by Vp is equal to, it is a second transistor, so we have to write it as Gm2 Ro2 plus 1. See, in this particular figure, Rs is equal to 0, there is no Rs here, Rs is equal to 0 and also Gmb is equal to 0. We are using these two to write the expression for the circuit. Therefore, Gmb is 0, we have only Gm to RO2 plus 1 divided by, this is RO2, that is with respect to the second transistor we are writing it as RO2, and GMB is not there and RS is 0, so this entire term is 0, this RS is 0. And what is RD? RD is this resistance, here it is RO4 plus RO4 multiplied by RD multiplied by RO4. Now V out by Vp is obtained as 1 plus Gm2 RO2 divided by 1 plus RO2 by RO4. This expression is same as this expression. It is only for your reference. Already we have derived this expression. So V out by Vp is thus, and approximated as, this V out by Vp can be approximated as Gm2 RO2 divided by 1 plus RO2 by RO4. This is equation number 2. We have obtained V out by Vp and we have obtained Vp by Vin, and we are taking the product of these two to arrive at V out by Vin. Let us do that. Let us try to simplify the expression for V out by Vin. V out by Vin is equal to Vp by Vn, that is 1 plus RO4 by RO2 divided by 2 plus RO4 by RO2 multiplied by V out by Vp, Gm2 RO2 divided by 1 plus RO2 by RO4. Now simplify this expression. It is mathematical simplification. RO2 plus RO4 by RO2, take a LCM, divided by 2RO2 plus RO4 by RO2 multiplied by Gm2 RO2 divided by RO4 plus RO2 divided by RO4. This is equal to RO2 plus RO4 by RO2 multiplied by RO2 divided by 2RO2 plus RO4 multiplied by Gm2 RO2 multiplied by RO4 divided by RO4 plus RO2. Now this RO2 will cancel out, RO4 RO2, RO4 plus RO2. What is left out now? Gm2 RO2 RO4 divided by 2 times RO2 plus RO4. This is equal to, when you simplify this, you will get it as Gm2 by 2 in bracket 2 RO2 parallel with RO4. You simplify this expression, you will arrive at this particular expression. So this is the voltage gain AV of the circuit. That's all. Thank you.